for about 5 hours starting the day. Must be a pretty hectic schedule.
No, it was quite informative, so I wouldn't like to frame it as it was hectic or something.
Okay. Have you attended workshops of similar nature earlier?
Yeah, being in this company, being in Aptech, I have been attending this sort of trainings. Rather, we can call it drills. From past 3 years, we have gone through 2 drills by far, and they were quite informative. And let me tell you, this one was extra informative in the sense wherein in drills we are practically told to do things, and we actually don't have the knowledge of what the consequences can be, what the consequences will be. So this was something different. This was more informative in a very depth manner.
Right. So you feel that if a similar workshop with a precursor we started is very important to build up the content of the workshop?
Yeah, it is important because means people should know the gravity of it. People should know the intense effect of it. Because drill के अंदर it's like हो गया drill है, we take it in a very light manner, and we really don't assume कि मतलब ऐसा होगा, शायद तक होगा नहीं होगा, you are not sure of it. Wherein यहाँ पे इसके अंदर in this particular 5 hours of training we were told कि हाँ means ये हो सकता है, these are the possibilities. इन possibilities के साथ में what all you can do, how can you deal with this. That was the different point of this particular training.
What is the impact on you? Are you feeling empowered?
Yes, I am pretty confident कि if at all like this sort of situation comes in, I can throw in something of my own. I can do stuff. I can prevent someone's life's loss. I can do something about it rather just pulling myself back and getting out of the building. That's it.
Which part of the training you feel should be repeated very often?
Maybe the safety pattern, how to to bring people out of the building, to let the other people swiftly they can direct people from out of the office rather than just hush सिर्फ आवाज करके बाहर का रास्ता दिखा के वैसा नहीं होता. Cause in actual situation सीन अलग होता है. यू आर नॉट मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. बस पैनिक होता है, एवरीवन इज जस्ट पैनिकिंग, एंड फिर इधर उधर भाग रहे, कोई दरवाज़ा देख रहा है, कोई खिड़की देख रहा है. एंड लाइक जो डायरेक्शन होता है, फर्स्ट काम योर सेल्फ डाउन, लुक फॉर ऑप्शंस, वो जो तरीका होता है हाउ टू डू दैट, हाउ टू कम अक्रॉस द सिचुएशन, वो भी अगर कवर कर सकते हैं, एंड कवर करना चाहिए रादर.
So you mean to say the evacuation drill should be done in your organization?
Yeah.